Hello everyone, I am back in today's English class with a new grammar concept. Have you met my friend? He was around somewhere here. He was just here a few minutes ago. Where? He's there. This is apostrophe, my friend. I think you have met him before? Any idea how you use an apostrophe? Okay. I think you were using the apostrophe like this, isn't it? But do you know an apostrophe can be used to show possession? So, our topic, possessives. In today's class, we will be learning about how to use the apostrophe, how to use an apostrophe to show the possession in singular and plural nouns. Let's get started. Students, before we go into the lesson, please open your grammar books page 23. Students, what is the meaning of possession or possessive? Possession or possessive means belongingness. That means something which belongs to someone. It may be a person or an animal. Like, for example, if I say, this is my pen, means this pen belongs to me. And if anybody asks you, whose pen is this? You will say, my teacher's pen. Yes? So here, I am using an apostrophe S when I am saying teacher's pen. It is not so simple. There are certain rules to be followed when we use an apostrophe in singular and plural nouns possessive. Let us check with rule number 1, and that too with a singular noun to make it possessive. Now here you have to add an S and the apostrophe before S to make the singular noun possessive. Example, the frock of Swati. So, the frock belongs to Swati and Swati is the possessor. So, I am writing Swati, the apostrophe S and frock. Same thing applies to the next example, the books of the child. The child is the possessor of the books. So, I write the child's books. I'm writing child, the apostrophe S, books, as it is a singular noun. So, in rule number 1, we learned to use the apostrophe before S to make it possessive. Let's check with the next rule. The next rule, rule number 2, we are going to check where to use the apostrophe in a plural noun. So, you need to add an apostrophe after S to make the plural noun possessive. We learned in our previous class the plural having an S, isn't it? Which is more than one. Now, let us check the example. The tails of cats. Here cats is plural, which is already having an S. Apostrophe is placed after S. Cat's tails. As the cats is the possessor over here. The petals of flowers. Flowers is plural. It is already having an S. So, in the possessive, the flowers petals, we place the apostrophe after S. So, I hope you understood. In singular, you were placing the apostrophe before S. In the plural noun, You are placing the apostrophe after S to make it possessive. So let's check with another rule. Rule number 3, where we will be learning about the use of the apostrophe in irregular plural noun. In our previous class, we already discussed what are irregular plural nouns like men, women, children, people. So let's check where we will be placing the apostrophe in such kind of irregular plural nouns. So we need to add an S and apostrophe before S to make the irregular plural noun possessive. So let's check with example. The shoes of men. Now here men is plural. Yes, it's an irregular plural noun. There is no S. We are going to write the men, place the S and an apostrophe before S. The men's shoes. Same, the toys of children. Children is the irregular plural noun. You are going to place an S and the apostrophe before S, the children's toys. Yes, children, I hope you understood the placing of apostrophe in irregular plural nouns. Now, you might get a doubt. What about other objects? Do they also have possessive? Yes. When it comes to inanimate objects, you should not say plants' roots. It is wrong. We need to say the roots of the plant. Similarly, you should not say table's legs or chair's legs. We should say the leg of the chair or table. Yes, children, I hope you understood today's concept of possessive, the using of apostrophe before S or after S in singular and plural nouns. That's all for today's class. I'll be posting the homework. Thank you.